Now, class 12, let us continue the chapter matrices exercise 1. Already I have started the sum number 17. What is given? A is there, and find, we have to prove by mathematical induction that a to the power n is this. Okay. Now, a is this means a to the power 1 is this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That is given to us. Okay. Okay, therefore, now find a to the power a to the power 1 is this. Okay, let us write. 1 means something to the power 0, that we know. So 1 can be written 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0. Same as here. It's a very good sum. Okay. Now something to the power 0. 0 means we can write 0 means n minus n. So write here 3 to the power and n minus n obviously 0, and here since it is a to the power 1, so we can write 3 to the power 1 minus 1. We can write 1 minus 1. That is also 0. So 3 to the power 1 minus 1, 3 to the power 1 minus 1. Okay, so a to the power 1 is written. Now find a square. A square means a into a. First row, first column, 1 into 1, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, so it is coming 3, 3, 3. Okay, 3 means we know 3 to the power 1 only. So power 1 we can write 3 to the power 2 minus 1 directly. Same thing here. Here also the same. Understood this part? I think 3 to the power 1 is there. 1 we can write as 2 minus 1. Directly here I have not written 1. So if it is not written, then also we know it is supposed to know that if it is 1 is not written, then we can write this as also 1. 3 to the power 1 means 3 to the power 2 minus 1. A square we have written. Therefore the statement, therefore we can write, therefore the given statement is true for n is equal to 1 and 2. Okay, so let us assume that statement is true for n is equal to m. Already two sums done. The same process we will follow for this sum one also. Now let the statement is true for n is equal to m. Therefore, let the statement is true for n is equal to m. Therefore, a to the power m is what? A to the power 2 we have written t to the power 2 minus 1. So, we can write a to the power m is 3 to the power m minus 1. Similarly, okay. Now 3 to the power m minus 1 written. Now we have to write a to the power m plus 1. That is equals to a to the power m into a to the power 1. Okay, so a to the power m means this one. So 3 to the power m minus 1. Into 3 to a to the power 1 means 1, 1, 1. So what is the multiplication we will get? to the power m plus 1 means first row into first column. So 3 to the power m minus 1, so into 1, so again 3 to the power m minus 1 we will get. M minus, no, 3 to the power m minus 1, 1 we can write as 1 to, instead of 1 now we can write as 1 was 3 to the power 0, that form, right, that will be better. So 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0. We will follow this, okay? Instead of 1, I have written now this. Now first row into first column. So 3 to the power m minus 1 into 3 to the power 0 plus. So m minus 1 plus 0. Similarly, m minus 1 plus 0, m minus 1 plus 0. So 3 to the power m minus 1 plus 3 to the power m plus 1, m minus 1 plus 3 to the power m minus 1. That we will get. Yes, we'll get this. Similarly, we will get the same for the second, for the whole first row. Here also. Now second row also the same. Third row also the same. Okay, now add 3 to the power m minus 1 plus 3 to the power m minus 1 plus 3 to the power m minus 1 means 3 to the power m, 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power. Now add all this, what we will get. Okay, so 3 into this means 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power m minus 1, that means only 3 to the power m. 3 to the power m minus 1, if we take common, then what we will get, I am showing you the rough work, m minus 1, then we will get only 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 3. So 3 to the power m minus 1 into 3 means again 3 to the power m minus, so it is coming m minus 1 into 3 to the power 1 means only 3 to the power m. So I have written here 3 to the power m. Understood everyone? Okay. Now 3 to the power m written, similarly other elements also 3 to the power m. Here also it is 3 to the power m. Now 3 to the power m can be written as 3 to the power m plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, 3 to the power m. Same thing here. Plus 1 minus 1. M plus 1 minus 1. So here also the same. Okay, so 3 to the power m plus 1, therefore the statement is true. Therefore the statement is true for n is equal to m plus 1 also. Okay, therefore it is true for all positive integer. Therefore I am writing here, it is true for all positive integer. Proved. Okay, now sum number 19. Sum number 19. Let me rub this board first. Sum number 19 coming with new video.